Hi there, my name is Brandon Blank and I'm the project manager for Doctor to Doctor. Today I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of how to set up your account and your two-factor authentication when using Doctor to Doctor. So you should have received an email similar to the one I have up on screen that has your email address, password, and a link to Doctor Doctor in it. If you haven't received this, then at the moment you don't have an account, so please give us a call send us an email at info@doctortodoctor.ca and we'll get that straightened out for you. So what I would suggest is actually copying your password because it's a computer generated one and it's a little bit hard to remember. So I'm just going to copy that and then I'm going to click this login to your account here button. So I'll click that. And that'll take us into Doctor to Doctor. Now mine's auto-filling with another account information, so I'm just going to punch in my email address and the password that I just copied, and then I'm going to hit login. Now, the next thing that we have to do is actually set up our two-factor authentication. Once that's all set up, we'll be able to change our password. So let's go ahead and set this up. And here we do have to enter that password, so that's why it's on our clipboard. I'm going to paste that back in and hit continue and move through. Now we do have three options to use for two-factor authentication. There's email, which will send us an email code every time you try to log in. Similarly, there's text message and SMS, which will send a text message to your phone every login attempt. And I'll be honest, this is the favorite and preferred option. And the final option is the smartphone app, which uses Google Authenticator. So that's a free app that you can download onto your phone and it'll go through. I'm just going to quickly click that one to show you some of how that works because the others are a lot more straightforward. So we'll click on the smartphone app, and what it gives us is an option here to generate a QR code. And when you have the Google Authenticator app on your phone, you can scan that code, it'll link up automatically and then enable it. So for now, we'll just hit cancel, and then I'm going to go back, it'll take us back to the setup. We'll hit setup, again, I'll just punch in that password. And now we'll set up text message reminders. So all we have to do is punch in our phone number here, 42, and hit enable. And we'll give that a second to process. And now we've got our two-factor set up, and it has sent me a text message verification just to my phone. So I got to punch it in here just to verify. We'll hit verify and setup is complete. We'll hit OK, and here we are into Doctor to Doctor. Now the only thing I would actually recommend at this point is changing your password. So to change your password, you click up here in the top corner, go into My Settings, and then you do have the option here to change your password. You can also customize your two-factor authentication if you wanted and change that. So we'll go into change password. Our current password, again, is the one that the email sent. I'm going to type in my new password. And it does tell you how strong that password is at the bottom. So ideally you put in something that's relatively strong. And when you're ready, we hit continue. And again, it's just going to take a second to save. And then once it's saved, our password will be changed and you are ready to go. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this with Doctor to Doctor. Here's just sending us a verification. We'll update that. And our password's done. So again, thank you very much for watching this. And if you have any questions, please feel free to email us at info@doctortodoctor.ca. Thanks.